I just want to express our gratitude that you have volunteered to be a speaker for our January 5th PD Day event. I'm going to be walking you through how you can access certain materials and perform certain actions from within the Sched app, which is where we are housing all of our sessions for the January 5th PD Day. Now, what you should have already received as a speaker is an email that says we have added you to the list of speakers for January 5th. If you have not received this email, first please check your spam and then go ahead and email us at pd@aps.edu and we'll make sure that you have been added. From inside this email, you're going to notice a bar right here to access your profile. Click on that bar and it's going to open up in a brand new tab inside the Sched January 5th event. Now, if you have already created a Sched account, you can use your old password. If you are brand new to Sched, create a new password. Once you've saved that, you're going to notice that you are automatically sent to your profile space as a speaker within Sched. This is where you can add in information about yourself. You can upload a photo or add a biography, as well as your social media handles. This information is going to be viewable by attendees to your session. Once you have done that, make sure that you go down here and save those settings, and then go up here to the schedule space. The schedule space is just like what attendees see inside the Sched app. In fact, if you have other sessions that you would like to attend that are not your session, you can go ahead and click on this button here to add it to your schedule, or you can click off of it to remove it from your schedule. Now let's talk about how you manage your session from within the Sched space. Inside schedule, you're going to notice that there is a link that says manage and promote your sessions. Once you click on that link, it's going to have the title of whatever session you are a speaker for, and you're going to have some actionable items here in this menu. On the first one, this is where you can see all of your attendees. Please be mindful that some attendees may show that they are private accounts, depending on how they have set up their Sched accounts. Here is where you can further edit your profile if you want to make some changes. This tab is where you can add your resources. Since these are virtual sessions, we do suggest to please select a file and upload it here either before or after your session for your attendees to have. Click on Edit Session if you want to change your title and the description of your session. Now, this is very important. Do not change this video stream link. The way that we are going to be setting up these virtual spaces is Educational Resource Department is going to be creating a calendar invitation for you. There will be one of two different types of live stream links. If you have moderate to low attendance, you will have a Google Meet link. If you have moderate to high attendance, you will have a live stream link. And if you have moderate to high attendance, we will partner you up with a co-host who is an educational resource teacher who's going to be there to help you run the chat, as well as helping you out with running that live stream. I'll explain that a little bit more when I show you from the attendees' point of view. You can go to this tab to email attendees, write your email right from within this space and send it from within Sched. And here is where you're going to be able to view your feedback after your session is complete. I'm going to go to another session I've already completed, and it's just a linear scale here, as well as any comments that participants have made. Those essentially are all of the different tools that you have as a speaker. Now let's go back to the schedule, and then you can see what that looks like from the attendees' point of view, and we'll talk to you a little bit about how to get into your live stream and how that works for attendees within Sched. So now I'm back here in the schedule space, and as attendees, they're going to be able to click on to your session title, and when they scroll down, this is how they're going to access the live stream button for your session. When attendees click that yellow button, it's going to take them automatically to either a Google Meet or to the live stream I had mentioned before. Now, this is very, very important. This is how attendees are going to access your session. Once again, this is how attendees are going to access your session. As a speaker, you're going to want to access your session differently. As a speaker, we are suggesting you go to your Google Calendar and you're going to see your session name and a session that has been created on January 5th for you. We want to make sure that you are in the hosted version of the Google Meet link, and for sure it is tied to your Google account. Click on your session and you want to join the Google Meet from here, and that's how you're going to be able to have access to your session. Now, I did mention that some people may have a live stream. If you have been added to a session that has a live stream, you're going to notice a Google Meet here as well as a live stream underneath. Attendees are going to be using this link. That's why it's very important as speakers, you still join with the Google Meet. And then once you get into your session, you're going to notice that the streaming starts from within that Google Meet space. Like I said, you will be partnered up with a co-host who is an educational resource teacher, but just know that you are going to want to go either way, joining this Google Meet link or joining this Google Meet link from your Google Calendar. If you have any further questions for us, please email pd@aps.edu and we'll be happy to answer those questions or offer you further support.